Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 977 in a row. My current balance is almost up to $5,000 of Bitcoin. Bitcoin price currently $54,320. Up just a little bit today, up over 14% the past week, up over 17% the past month, and up over 394% over the past year. Well over 1% a day on that. That's crazy. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin, and then we'll get into some interesting news. Bitcoin owned 0.09052593. Let's go ahead and tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin. The balance is now 0.09054379. Slowly working our way to 0.1 there. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,919, 4919 divided by 977 days equals a 5.03x on my investment. So what that means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have over $5. So I've more than 5x my money. Absolutely insane stuff from their dollar cost average strategy. Probably the easiest to do with the least amount of risk possible. And just going to continue to do this strategy for as long as I can. Let's hop into the other bit of exciting news. I shared this last time as well, but you can join the Sync Discord. Link is in the description. They're launching an NFT, so there's going to be a lot of exciting stuff going on here. I believe if you're in the Discord, you can access the sneak peeks. So I'm just going to show them. They're launching this month, so I got to be able to show these, right? They're launching the website soon, so here's kind of what they look like, the different attributes that you could get. So you can get like your character style, your spacesuit style. Then you're going to have like an item that you're holding, set of eyewear, or different hair. When you mint these, you're going to kind of get a random set of attributes. So yeah, very cool artwork on these and lots of benefits from holding one of the Syncronauts. So I love it. I'm excited for it. Hopefully we can get some more people excited for it as well. Definitely join the Discord and get involved. That'll do it for today's video. Hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.